Ay, after so long, gumanda rin ang panahon. On my way home na. I just took the bike out for a quick ride. Di na nga ako nakapag-coffee, inikot ko lang talaga hanggang MCX. But I'm making this video, it's more about I was thinking of upgrading our 360 camera. Right now we're using the Insta360 X4. I think this is my X4. But I also have the DJI Osmo 360. Now, I have both, but I tend to, when I'm doing outdoor, ganito maliwanag, mas napapagamit ako dito sa Insta360 because of one particular thing. Ang ganda ng software niya, ang dali gamitin, even the app sa phone, mas madali gamitin. DJI Osmo, I have a relatively fast na computer. I have a MacBook na M4 with 16 gig na RAM. Pero for some reason, nagsa-stutter siya pag ginagalaw mo, pag ina-adjust mo. Alam mo, parang nagkahang siya minsan na di mo maintindihan. So, I got really excited when the Insta360 X6, kasi ang kadalasan ang upgrading ko sa camera, it's every 2 generation. Like when I had the first my Insta360, it was the X2. Tapos after no, naging X4. So sabi ko, sige, kuha yata ako ng X6. Tapos nagkaroon sila ng parang promo pa na you can pre-order, tapos parang may discount ka ng mga 3,000-4,000 pesos yata. Parang you get 5,000 worth if you put down 2,000. Parang gano'n yung pagkaintindi ko Pero hindi nila sinasabi kung magkano. Blind nga blind pre-order. Yung price hindi mo rin alam. So medyo kinakabahan na ako. Bakit ka magpa-blind? Bakit? Ano ba ang meron doon sa presyo na yun na iba blind pre-order mo? So I really hesitated. So hindi ko na tinuloy. The week after noon, lalabas na rin naman. So hinintay ko na, sabi ko kung 3,000 difference, tingnan ko na lang, hintayin ko. True enough, nung lumabas nga, yung pinakamura nila 45,000. Yung sa 45,000 wala pang kasama extra battery yun ang ayoko sa Insta360, from every generation ng Insta360 yung battery nila pa iba-iba. So ibig sabihin, nung meron akong X2, bumili ako extra battery. Nung lumabas yung X3, hindi ko naman magagamit yung battery. Kung may X3 ka, bumili ka extra battery. Nung lumabas yung X4, iba na naman. Ngayon, yung X6, iba na naman yung battery. Well, I understand the X6 kasi iba na yung form factor. Pero yun din yung isa sa mga kaba ko pagdating sa Insta360. Palit sila ng palit ng battery. The DJI Osmo 360, hardware-wise, wala akong ka-complain. Basically, the Insta360 X6 is just the same hardware as the DJI Osmo 360. So hindi talaga yung hardware ang habol ko. Ang habol ko talaga is mostly the software with the latest generation hardware, which is the DJI Osmo 360. Yun yung magandang hardware because the sensor is bigger and it's better for low light, kasi ginagamit ko yung Insta360 pag nagbi-behind the scenes ako sa mga photoshoot ko. So it has a tendency na medyo mas madilim sa studio. So maganda talaga yung quality nung DJI Osmo 360 as compared to this Insta360 ko na luma. But 45,000? Mind you, when I bought the DJI Osmo 360, it was 25,000. 25,000. May kasamang 3 battery. So, yung battery niya hindi kasing lakas ng Insta360, pero 3, may charging case. So, ang dali dalhin, ang dali i-charge. Tapos, ang maganda pa, pwede ko gamitin yung battery ng DJI Osmo 360 doon sa Osmo Action ko. Not just my Action now, all the new Action camera, parehong battery. So, ang ganda, interchangeable sila. Another thing, remember, I have an Osmo Pocket. The Osmo Pocket came with DJI wireless mic. I can also use that wireless mic on my DJI Osmo 360 without any other receiver needed. As in, diretso, kukonect lang sila. In the same way, I can also use it to connect to my Osmo Action. Tapos nung bumili ako ng DJI Mic Mini, I can even connect two mics to the Osmo 360. Isa lang talaga ang drawback ng Osmo 360. That's why I can't let go of this X4. Kasi my wife who free dives needs a 360 camera with a dive case. Si Osmo 360 until now wala pang official dive case. Yung dive case na meron is aftermarket. So last time na binili akong aftermarket para doon sa Osmo, hindi, was it Osmo or what camera was that? Nag-leak lang so kinabahan na ako sa mga aftermarket na mga dive case So if you are a free diver or a diver, then the Osmo 360 might be something you may want to not consider kasi nga doon sa dive case. Pero mind you, the Insta360, their dive case is not cheap, parang 10,000, 11,000 Ano pa yata yung bago ngayon, baka mas mahal pa. And DJI Osmo 360 version 2 is coming out. Ang specs niya is even better than the Insta360 X6. So mas mura, better hardware. Is that enough for you to not buy the Insta360 just because of the software? Sa akin talaga ang bigat ng 20,000. It's not justifiable just because mas maganda yung software. Remember that the Osmo software is usable, pero minsan lang talaga yung stutter nakakainis. Pero in terms of the functions of the software, they pretty much have the same functions naman Mas seamless ang paggamit ng Insta360 na software. Pero sorry, not for 25,000. Okay guys, thank you. So at least you know I'm not going to be getting the Insta360 X6. I'm sticking with my Osmo. Happy naman ako Pero napaisip tuloy ako, should I get a drone? Should I get the Neo 2 or should I get the Flip? Guys, comment kayo which one do you think is better. Ang plano ko naman gawin even with the Flip is to use it with just the phone and handheld operation lang. So without the remote, which do you think I should be investing in? The Neo 2 or the Flip? Okay, bye guys, thank you. Ganda ng weather, thank you. Sana tuloy-tuloy na to. Okay, bye guys.